everyone. So this is Yuri the Fury, and today I'm going to go over how to join our copy trading service. So let me save the bandwidth here, share the screen. So what you're going to do first is go to the website, and I'm sure you're already familiar if you're watching this from the website, but if you're watching it from YouTube, just go to furiousfx.net. Then you're going to go over here to join, and you're going to click copy trading. Okay, so here's the checklist, all these things you need to do in order to join our trading services. So the first thing you're going to do, click on the sign liability agreement. It should load the form for you. Agree to the privacy notice. Here you're going to put the date. All right, here you're going to put the address. Read the agreement, the liability agreement, familiarize yourself with it. And if you agree, you're going to sign it and attach your license or passport. This is so that we know you're a real person, not a bot, and that you're also understand that we're not liable for losses, all that stuff, and that you're not going to sell our trade secrets and all that stuff. Okay, so once you do this, it will ask you to confirm the email, and when you do, it will send the copy of the agreement to your email that you provided, as well as a copy to myself and the team at FuriousFX. So that step will be complete. The very next step is going to be create an account with TradeView Markets. So this thing here is just like opening an account with any broker. I don't believe you can open one in United States. So you're going to need to open a demo or use the VPN or something like this. But for other countries, what you're going to do is here, select the country, select the entity of TradeView Markets. It will either be Peru or CIMA here for you, depending where you're located. So it kind of doesn't matter what you select, but CIMA preferred. Afterwards, you're going to select the ILC type account as opposed to XLEV on the next screen. That's because you want the account with the commissions, but very thin spreads, as opposed to no commissions and giant spreads. If you traded Forex anytime, you understand that thin spreads are key to day trading. You don't want to get in with a negative right away. Okay, so open that ILC type account, and I think they take 24 hours to open your account or something like this. So once you open the account, the last step and the most important and the tough step, this actually hooking up all your credentials for your account that you open and subscribing to the desired tier service, which we have 3. If you want to check them out ahead of time, I put some information here. We got just straight up copy trading, which is $65 a month. You have copy trading with chart analysis, which is $75 a month, and that includes the full chart analysis for all trades, but broken down. I shared not just the chart with the markup, but explanation of the thought process. For the video analysis, it's the full video breakdown of the day for the trades that were taken, win or lose. So you got, just like this, a recording, full recording with the charts. Once you figure out where you want to subscribe here, you're gonna click this. It's gonna bring this website. Ignore all this here. You could right away, we have this copy trading, chart analysis, video analysis, and currently we're testing all the systems. That's why you see this. This will go away. There'll be these 3, right? Pick the one that you want. Obviously, nothing's going on yet, but this is kind of irrelevant without an account. So what you're going to do is click create account, because you want to create an account with the FuriousFX. So here, as soon as you do, I already did. So I typed in my email address, and it sends you to verify the email address. It might go to spam, so check your spam. But essentially, it sends you an email in which you just click this verify email address. Okay, and then it logs you in. Okay, so it logs you in, and then you'll have these menus on the left. You'll have these copy trading, chart analysis, or video analysis tier. So let's say you wanted to sign up for this video analysis here. You would click this view. This is all testing, obviously look a little different, meaning the price will be more. I already went over the price, but essentially here, you're going to say, okay, it's video analysis. It'll tell you, okay, the balance from the master account that we're going to fund it is going to be 5 grand. So, you know, let's say when I started and you don't subscribe, at the moment of the recording, nothing is live, right? We haven't started yet, but you know, chances are once you are joining and watching this video, the balance will be different. Hopefully it's going to be much higher. You will see how much we're in profit, how much we're in drawdown. You'll have all these statistics here. For the master account, you'll see total trade taken, win percent. Maybe it'll help you decide if you want to subscribe or not. All this is great. And then you can subscribe for it. So when you click subscribe, it will give you this screen. Now you can either pay with Stripe, all right, which is a normal, you know, credit card processor, or you can pay with crypto. I kind of encourage crypto because I love me some Bitcoin. Crypto that we accept is only Bitcoin, so don't try to pay with anything else. If you have any questions, obviously you can contact me. I'm right here. You know how to get in touch. Now, the important thing here, the account that you opened in step 2, that is what you're going to put in here. So let's say you know opened something like this, and then the broker, obviously, since you open an account, has to be TradeView. So TradeView, you know, whatever it is you can open, and it's MT5 that I want you all to open. So TradeView demo MT5, TradeView live MT5, whatever you want to do. So let's say it's a live account. You know, this is my copy trading viewer. Okay, it's kind of my copy account. Okay, so let's say you put just whatever description for yourself to remember. It's a monthly plan. This is the password for this account. What this does, it automatically connects your account without us seeing your password or anything like that, which is a security risk, obviously. So it hooks it up automatically, your username and password, to be turned on, right? So you could, let's say you don't want to start right away, you want to see how the results are, you can turn it off so it's not going to copy to your account, which I can change later from my administrator screen. But by default, it's on. So as soon as you type in the password and press submit, it will be live and ready to copy all of my trades.